Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video, you know what I'm saying? No introduction, I don't need no introduction. We finna go ahead and brush this junk down. We finna go ahead and ball this junk out, you know what I'm saying? I wanna make sure everything nice and clean up under that junk, you know what I'm saying? No hair at all. Hold on, give me a second.
To be honest with you, no, I'm not doing the back. It's over with.
Yeah, that's just me really being lazy for real, cause I ain't wanna do the back for real. Also, I ain't really wanna mess it up. I'm not gonna lie to you, I be fucking my back up. All right, so we went on here with the no guard open. Then that was just the one guard open. You know what I'm saying? I went up about half an inch on both of them joints. Then I tried to tie the joint in with the 1/2 guard closed, but that joint ain't work. So I just used the clipper of a comb as you see right here in this scene right here. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Ain't gonna lie to you, this is just a rough draft. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna fade down right now. Right now I got the one guard closed, just trying to hit that middle line, trying to knock that joint out real quick, just tapping at it for real with the corners. You know what I'm saying? Alright. What that is. Alright, so that's the half guard open. And we gonna start opening, we gonna casually close, you know what I'm saying? Just pay attention to what you're doing. Alright, so we gonna no guard open to close right here up in this little section right here. You know what I'm saying? Just getting the middle line all the way out, gone. And as you can see, I didn't really like do much, so I had to see it from the back. You know what I'm saying? I had to see what it looked like in the back. Pause. Hold on. That's why I got this mirror right here. You know what I'm saying? Alright, it did its justice. So now I'm about to detail my fade. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty much complete, but it's just like you want to go the extra mile. Just go the extra mile because it matters. You're not finna go to a dentist and be like, hey, I want my teeth almost white. You gonna be like, hey, I want it white, icy white, that model smile. All right, so we went on here and did the you dig, you know what I'm saying? That's detail, me detailing right here, you know what I'm saying? So I clip over comb into the top since that 1/2 guard didn't work for real. Don't be mad though. It still look good. That's it. Yeah. About to go ahead and do the other side. All right. Your life is amazing. You're doing fine. You're doing fabulous. Don't let anybody tear you down. Don't let anybody else tear you down. I swear, they ain't living in your shoes. You know what I'm saying? If you that guy that just started cutting hair, you got this. Keep cutting hair. You gonna get better. If you stressing out about some other stuff, don't worry. Stick it through because there's a path. You know what I'm saying? I just want to be that light in somebody's day to day. I'm really enjoying my life today, and I'm not really taking this serious, but I'm taking it serious, and you should take it serious too. You know what I'm saying? I'm really fine with this haircut and shit for real. You know what I'm saying? If you ever just want to get a haircut, just go ahead and tap in. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. Hit me up on Instagram or something. You know what I'm saying? The fade skills real nice. Y'all see that? I ain't really do my line in too much justice in this video, but it just was still nice. It was really nice. All right. I'm pretty much done with this side of the fade. You got this. You got it.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Good, man. I was wondering if you cut the hair today.
Yeah, I'm up here.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna head up there now. Probably in the next 5 minutes already.
All right. All right, so I gotta finish up with this cut, man. I got a custom on the way, trying to get it cut. So I don't do the back of my head. I want to get my dreads back. If you know, you know. If you never seen me, oh well. But I had dreads. I'm trying to get them dreads back. So I'm not gonna do the back. I'm gonna let the back grow out. Which why I cut them off was because of the back. I felt like they were too thin, and I wanted to be thicker in the back. So just make sure, like, you know what I'm saying, it's pretty even. Of course, I know this side is a little up there and this side is a little, you know what I'm saying, on the low. I want this side to be like this, but hey man, you're in a barber school, and you love people playing your head, caution, caution. But it's all good, I maintained it. And to be honest with you, before I do this, I just want to let you know I ain't perfect. No one's perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect either. With that being said, I ain't looking for the crispiest liner ever, but I wanted to be at least a little symmetrical, you know what I'm saying? So went on ahead and disinfected my forehead, got everything clean, and I'm about to do the back real quick, line my back up before I touch my forehead, just let everything cure and let everything sit in its natural spot. And notice I'm using the mirror to use the back, and you can see the back there. And I'll just treat it as like a normal haircut. I'm going around the ear. Pretty smooth. I hope I made that seem too easy, you know what I'm saying? Because it's really that easy, you know? Same thing on this side. Like I said, I ain't trying to be the most perfect or anything, but just trying to get the job done. Now the hair gonna grow back. In order to give me a straight lining right there, just make sure I angle it right. Look down. The darkest spot for them both. Well, the darkest spot that connects the left side to the right side. Or the lightest spot, the lowest, darkest spot. Create your symmetrical line. So everything gotta be perfect back there. You know what I'm saying? Wish it was a little cleaner, you know what I'm saying? I wish I had me a fade back there, but it's all good, though. I ain't tripping. Cocoa, and I ain't even gonna lie to you, just hit fresh out the box, you know what I'm saying? Fresh out the box. And notice how, see, it's a little light right there, right? But I'm also not pushing it back to the darkest spot. I want to keep everything full, you know? And I use enhancements on myself, but on somebody else, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather them at least tell me to push it back than me just go ahead and push it back, because one, you never know what your client might not come back just because of something simple like that. Oh, dang, my last barber didn't push me back, but you did. You know what I'm saying? Now my line is shifted this side, shifted all the way towards my ear, and over here is on my eyebrow. I don't want that. I want my client to come back, so I'm gonna let them know, hey, do you want me to line up right here, or do you want me to line up right there? Or just what, you know, some clients just don't be caring. They want to look good when they leave. You know what I'm saying? So I get right. I make sure everything dark, symmetrical. All right. That's good for me. I'm gonna go ahead and line that mustache up. You know what I'm saying? We got that 245 bud right there. We got that no drip bud right there. You know what I'm saying? Money maker right here. Real deal. Definitely an investment. Because it's my line, I don't care that I'm filling in. I'm just be honest with you. It ain't the sharpest haircut, but I don't care for real. You know what I'm saying? I'll just get this haircut for the get by. It ain't like I'm going to no baby shower, which I was supposed to go to this weekend, but I can't. And Thanksgiving coming up, so I definitely need me a cut. Is this cut gonna last me a Thursday? Most def, most def. The 245 card. All right, what I'm looking like. Is it the best? No. Is it the worst? No. Another day to get by. I do not treat my clients like this. I'm just gonna say that once again. My line is straight. I'm cool, you know what I'm saying? I do not treat my clients like this. My clients get the most up respect, the most up everything, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, man, it's your boy Lewis, and we gonna slide. See, you know what I'm saying? We gonna slide. See you in another video. Deuces.